What is up you guys, it's Fabian from the Jansen channel, and in today's video my uncle and I explored the Schut. The Schut, which is a small dam, was built in the year 1888 for the benefits of flowing meadows. Here the grassland is irrigated with nutrient-rich water for the production of hay. We also explored the surrounding area, so enjoy the video.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.